From 35 below Cabanagilamos Norte, my father's name, Julio Albanao, and my mother's name, Marilyn Albanao. I have a two brothers and two sisters. My Catholic religion. I'm a college level. I took up HRM. My experience in Kuwait as a domestic helper. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 children. And second experience in Qatar as a domestic helper, I serve 7 members of the family, 2 adults and 5 children.
Why did you intend to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to work in Hong Kong for the future of my children, and I want to build a little business, and I want to continue my house.
What are your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper?
My duties and responsibilities as domestic helper are cleaning, or cleaning, ironing, cooking, take care of baby, and that's it.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
I don't know how to cook a Chinese food, ma'am, but I want to learn.
How did you take good care of children and young baby?
Before, ma'am, I take care of baby in my school in Kuwait, ma'am, to kids, ma'am, 1 year old and 2 years old. And also, I take care of my own children before.
Your message to your prospective employers.
Sir, ma'am, I do my best to make a good, and I promises to be honest. Thank you.